Hey everyone, it's me Melody. This is one of my first videos of the new year. So I got some more beading thread, string. I think this is a flat cord. I got a 2-pack. And then I got, these are both 600 pieces of head pins and eye pins for jewelry. And this is another 600 piece. It's really huge. Different kinds. Oh, mixed. I gotta separate it all. This is a beading needle case with beading needles. Different sizes. Because I don't know where my beading needles went. And I like the case for it, so I can't lose them. I like that it comes in a case and stuff. So that's like it. I know this is very short. But these are different ones. So I don't have to make these with my own stuff. Hopefully it's both gold and silver. And then the flatheads. And then I wanted these. Some of them are bent. I gotta straighten those out. These look more straight and better condition. These are just the flathead and the eye pins, like these. So I'm gonna probably straighten these out and add it to here, or figure out something else to do with them. But that is it for my haul. Thanks for watching. Bye. I'll have everything listed down below. Bye.